When?
He's coming to my house. Yeah.
Dito kami ngayon ni Blue sa gilid ng daan.
My classmate
Ayan
is
siya.
coming to my house.
Maglalakad lang kami para mainitan lang siya.
Nate is coming to my house.
When?
Somewhere there.
Somewhere there?
Yes.
Yes. So yun yung bahay. Diyan lang kami. Ito yung daan. Ikot-ikot lang kami para mainitan lang kami ni Blue. Kasi si Blue nasa kwarto lang. Kasi day off or wala siyang pasok ngayon. So ayan. You okay? Bahay. Ito yung mga neighbors namin. Ito may bahay din dito eh. Parang luma na siya. Baka lumang bahay. Kapit bahay namin.
Dada,
Yes.
it's somewhere there. And one
Look
of
here.
my classmates is so close.
Yes.
Yes, it's there. That is one of Baby Hanmon's classmates. Oh, I don't know what grade it
Yeah,
is.
sure. Ayan. Walking lang minsan pag umaga. Lalo na pag nasa kwarto lang, hindi masyadong naiinitan.
Where are you?
So, labas lang.
And Dada, that is one of their house.
Yeah, we'll check the centipede.